Imagine taking a bite of your favorite sugary treat, only to find it strangely tasteless. This is the peculiar effect of Gymnema sylvestre, an ancient herb revered for its unique ability to block sugar receptors on the tongue. Gymnema sylvestre, also known as gurma, which translates to sugar destroyer in Hindi, has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine, a holistic healing system originating in India. This remarkable herb contains active compounds, primarily gymnemic acids, that temporarily bind to taste receptors on the tongue, effectively suppressing the sweet taste of sugars. But the benefits of Gymnema sylvestre go far beyond simply altering your taste buds. It plays a significant role in managing blood sugar levels and promoting overall well-being. Gymnema sylvestre is a woody climbing shrub native to India, Africa, and Australia. For over 2,000 years, it has been a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine, traditionally used to treat a variety of ailments, including diabetes, malaria, and snake bites. Its effectiveness in managing diabetes in particular has earned it the name gurma or sugar destroyer. This is largely attributed to its active components, gymnemic acids, which exhibit remarkable anti-sweet properties. These gymnemic acids not only block sugar receptors on the tongue, but also interfere with the absorption of sugar in the intestines, helping to regulate blood glucose levels. Gymnema sylvestre's most notable benefit is its ability to regulate blood sugar levels. It achieves this through several mechanisms. Reduced sugar absorption. Gymnemic acids hinder the absorption of glucose in the intestines, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar after meals. Increased insulin production. This powerful herb may stimulate insulin production in the pancreas, improving the body's ability to utilize glucose effectively. Pancreatic cell regeneration. Some studies suggest that Gymnema sylvestre may promote the regeneration of insulin-producing beta cells in the pancreas, which can be especially beneficial for individuals with type 1 diabetes. Curbed sugar cravings. By suppressing the sweet taste and reducing sugar absorption, Gymnema sylvestre can help reduce sugar cravings and promote healthier eating habits. Weight management. Gymnema sylvestre may also support weight loss by reducing sugar absorption and curbing appetite. Gymnema sylvestre is readily available in various forms, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Capsules offer a convenient and standardized dosage of Gymnema sylvestre extract. The recommended dosage varies depending on the concentration of the extract. It is best to start with a lower dose and gradually increase it as needed. Tea. Gymnema sylvestre tea is a soothing and palatable way to enjoy the benefits of this herb. Simply steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried Gymnema leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Powder. Gymnema sylvestre powder can be added to smoothies, yogurt, or other foods. Start with a small amount, about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon, and gradually increase as desired. While Gymnema sylvestre is generally safe for consumption, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional before use, especially if you are on diabetes medication or have any underlying health conditions.